Welcome to a quick lesson on how to find the volume of cylinders. Before learning how to find the volume of cylinders, we have to review how to find the area of circles. The formula to find the area of a circle is area equals pi times r squared. All circles have a measurement called the radius, which is the distance from any point on the circle to the center of the circle. That radius is the r in our formula. The pi symbol in the formula can pretty much always be replaced with a value of 3.14. Always. That makes it very easy to remember. The radius of each particular circle will change in each problem. Let's try an example. In this problem, our radius is 4. We begin by color coding our formula. Then we can start plugging in information. Pi is always equivalent to 3.14, and the radius in this problem is 4. I find it always helps me to rewrite 4 squared as 4 times 4, just to make sure I don't miss a step. Now, all you have to do is multiply straight across. 3.14 times 4 equals 50.24. Understanding how to find the area of circles is essential to finding the volume of cylinders because circles form the bases of cylinders. To find the formula for the volume of cylinders, take the formula for area of circles and add an h to it. That's all. Essentially, the formula to find the volume of a cylinder is just pi times radius squared times the height of the cylinder, h. Just like the radius of its circular base, the height of a cylinder will change with each problem. Let's go ahead and try a few examples. For our first example, let's say we have a cylinder with a radius of 8 and a height of 16. Our first step is to color code the formula. Then let's plug in the values for our colored variables. We can replace pi with 3.14. Next, we can replace the r radius with 8. And finally, we can replace our h height with 16. Next, let's not forget to write out 8 squared as 8 times 8. Now, all we have to do is multiply straight across. 3.14 times 8 times 8 times 16, which gives us 3,215.36. For our final example, we're going to have a look at a slightly different type of problem. In this example, our diameter is 15, and our height is 5. The only issue here is that our formula for the volume of a cylinder doesn't have a d for diameter in it, just an r for radius. Luckily, we know that the diameter divided by 2 gives us our radius, so that means that 15 divided by 2 will give us our radius of 7.5. Now we can proceed with our color coding. As usual, let's plug in our values to replace the colored variables. Pi is always replaced by 3.14, our radius for this problem is 7.5, and our height is 5. Let's rewrite our formula to make sure we understand 7.5 squared is just 7.5 times 7.5, and now we can multiply away. 3.14 times 7.5 times 7.5 times 5 is 883.125. That's how easy it is to calculate the volume of a cylinder. I hope this video helped you.